Hi everyone, it's Carol, and now we're going to start editing using Camtasia. So I've opened up the Camtasia screen, and now I need some films to start working with, some video clips to start working with. I'm going to go to my folder where I have all my films saved automatically, grab a few films from the top of the list there. Chosen them, now going to import them, and there they are. Oh, actually I can see that they're Fantasy Fair, so that's quite a nice project to work on. Okay, so I can play any clip from there. Just double click on it and it'll play. Alright, so I'm going to look at 2 or 3 of them. Stop. I'm going to take that one out because that's a conversation. That's mountains. Okay, that's fine. So we've got some videos to work with. So the first thing I'm going to do is drag the first one that I want onto my timeline, and you can see now it says straight away what size do you want your video to be. Now of course we're looking at high definition for YouTube, so I want 1280 by 720, and that's the one I always choose, always work on. And here's my little video on the timeline, so let's watch it. Okay, so we're having a look round a scene. Gosh, I think we've had enough of it. It's quite a long clip, 20 seconds, so I'm going to stop it. I'm actually going to start it from about there. Take away that first half. So choose where I want to split my clip and choose split. So now you can see my film is in 2 pieces, and I'm going to get rid of the first half and push that one back there. So I've got my first half, a clip. I'm going to bring down the next clip, and let's have a look what that one is. I could play it, or I can just drag my recording head along. Oh, okay, well I definitely don't want that end bit where it goes up in the air. So I'm going to chop it there, split and get rid of that end bit. What else is there now then? Let's have a look. So let's chop it there and get rid of that. Okay, and then we've got a 40-second piece of video clip which we can start working with. Okay, that looks like it's going to be okay. Now you can see we've got a complete change of scenery here. So we've got these red horses, this fantasy outfit here, and then we suddenly go to some sort of creamy coloured similar creations, but another scene altogether. I might chop a bit more out of that actually. Just for working with. Okay, now then, how do we cope with a change of scenery? Because we go from red horses to cream horses. And the technique of course they use, which you're completely used to seeing on television, is by adding a transition. So if I click on the transitions, I have got a whole range of transitions I can use. You can play with them. It's best to stick to one for most things, and sometimes you might want a different one added for effect, but most times one at the beginning, one where you change your scene, and one fade out at the end is going to be absolutely perfect. Now then, let's have a little look. So I'm playing from the start. So we've got a picture around the red, looking around the red horses, or whatever they are, fading into the picture looking at the cream horses, and then hopefully we'll be fading out to black any second. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that, the way that looks. Okay everyone, thanks for watching. In this little tutorial we just looked at bringing media into the clip bin, putting it on the timeline, and adding transitions to show changes of scene. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.